Okay, so AQA Pure Core 1, January 2013, question 3. And part AI asks, express root 18 in the form k root 2. So basically what this is looking for is the root 18 is the same as root 9 times 2, which root 9 is 3. So the answer is 3 root 2. Okay, so part 2 to A is simplify root 8 divided by root 18 plus root 32. And I think the reason it kind of did this in the first part is because it's hinting for the second part. Okay, so this wants you to turn this all, I don't know if you can tell just by looking at it, but you can turn this all into root 2's, which isn't a very technical way to put it. So 8 is 2 root 2, just done in the same way as above. Root 18 is 3 root 2. And root 32 is 4 root 2. So if we take out the factor of root 2, then we're just left with 2 over 3 plus 4, which equals 2 over 7. Okay? And then part B. Yeah, I mean, always, because it's kind of like part AI, part AII, it just kind of suggests that you should use the start of the question. The question's not finished yet, so always refer back to the first part, because that can usually help you. Okay, so part B says express 7 root 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 3 in the form m plus root n, where m and n are integers. Integer means a whole number, so not a fraction or a decimal. So we do this by timesing by the opposite of what the sign at the bottom is, and that gets rid of all of the roots in the bottom. So 7 root 2 minus root 3 times 2 root 2 plus root 3. Okay, so 2 root 2 minus root 3 times the same, so 2 root 2 plus root 3, because we have to times the top and the bottom by the same thing. Okay, and then we just do our timesing out of brackets like the normal way, and you'll find that well, let's do it. Okay, so 7 root 2 times 2 root 2 is 14 times 2 is 28. Minus root 3 times plus root 3 equals minus 9. 7 root 2 times plus root 3 is 7 root 2 root 3. And minus root 3 times 2 root 2 is minus 2 root 2 root 3. Let's keep it all in the same order, so we don't get confused. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 root 2 times root 3 is plus 2 root 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 root 3. That's where you get rid of them. And then minus root 3 times plus root 3 is, oh, that's plus 9. That's plus 3, sorry, not plus 9. Plus 3. Okay? Yeah, it's very easy to get very confused by all of these numbers. Okay, so I hope I've done that right. 7 times 2 is 14, times 2 is 28, yeah. Okay, so these two cancel, 8 plus 3, so we're going to go 28 minus 3 is 28 minus 3 is 25, plus 7 root 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 root 3, which is plus 5 root 2 root 3. And then on the bottom we just have 8 plus 3, which is 11. This should be minus 3, sorry. So that's just 5. So all of these are multiples of 5, so we can divide everything by 5. 5 plus root 2, root 3, and obviously to be in this form, we need to just times these two numbers together because that is the same as this, which is the same as that. And there you have your answer. I hope that was helpful and thank you for watching.